My dear Arthur, you never showed up. And now, after looking at the newspapers, I understand why. I don't imagine you'll receive this letter, but I, nonetheless, must send it. Arthur. Oh, Arthur. I know you won't run away. But it's a pretty dream. I was just starting to dream the silliest and softest of dreams. I miss you, and I will always miss you. But I cannot live like that. And it seems you cannot live any other way.
Just as you take my hand, just as you write my number down, just as the Jigsaw ride, just as they play your favorite song, as your body disappears. No one could wind up like a spring before you had too much. Come back and focus again. The walls have been in shade. They got a Cheshire cat grin, all blurring into one. This place is on a mission before the night out, before the animal noises closer get cameras, before you come at
That woman confuses me and plays me for a fiddle like no one else alive. I trust I will not make a god-awful fool of myself once more. Somehow I imagine I shall.
Up here! You came!
Yeah. Okay.
away from me before you're lost between the notes. The beat goes round and round. The beat goes round and round. It got me. I just pretended that I was a blue instrument. As I set up shotguns, come on and let it out. 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 Before you're all away from me, before you're lost between the notes, just as you take the night, just as you dance, 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 dance.
I'll owe you.
You already owe me.
Jigsaw falling into place, so there is none to explain. We are each other as you pass. She looks back, you look back, not just once, not just twice. Wish you were a nightmare, wish you were a nightmare. You got it out, you can feel it on your back, and you can feel it on your back. Jigsaw falling into place.
You'll never change. I know that.